Welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. This is the last month of the year, so this is our December Potomacbeads Treasury bags. These are all the beads that we are going to see in these bags. So please visit the Potomacbeads and get your Treasury bags. Premium 24 carats rose gold plated. And these are spring clasp 6mm. Check petals, and these are 22mm. Potomacbeads pearls 2mm. Spike beads 5 by 13mm. I love this mix, Christmas mix. So I'm going to see if I can make a bracelet or possibly a necklace with these beads. We have some beading cable, and this is the 7 strand, and it's in color silver. Oh, look at this. These are premium 99.9 silver plated brass. We have these strands of beads. And we have some twist nuggets. Also, Miyuki beads, silver line, and a ruby color. And look at this, we have a silver plated clasp. I never had one of these, but it's going to be very useful to hold my threads. We also have these paisley puff coins in a crystal color. 3 by 6 rondelles. We have some Abba beads, and these are 10 by 4mm. Christmas trees. Oh, look at this. So we're going to be making a ring with this. And this is Crystal Rivoli and Mystic Sapphire. And we have also stainless steel mirror spacer beads. And a wooden ornament. And these are all the materials that we have for the December Treasury bags. Please don't forget to visit the Potomacbeads. Until next time.